Hello, welcome to week 5, day 2. I'm so glad you're here. Today for equipment, all you're gonna need is a set of light dumbbells and a band of some kind that's anchored to something heavy that won't move. Let's go ahead and start. We're going to lay on our stomach and we're going to go into some Y raises. So these can be deceptively difficult. So we want to make sure as we're here that we're just using our upper back to pull our arms up. We're not using our mid back. So go ahead and put your face on the ground. Inhale, exhale, pull the pelvic floor up and in, zip up that core, and Y raise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome, okay. And we're just going to be seated here doing some breathing. So go ahead and inhale 3 times for me. Put your hands here on your ribs if you want. Feel that expansion going into your back. One more breath here with me. Awesome, okay. Grab that band. And we're coming into half kneeling position here. And then we're going to be bringing this band over our head. I like to just loop it over and then kind of loop my thumb here. So, all right, go ahead and inhale, exhale, pelvic floor comes up and in. And you can do this without a band. You can use a light dumbbell, whatever you have around. We're going to pull this up with our core. Going for 8 of these. There's 6, 7, 8. Other side. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we're going to bring these light weights, come into a bent over position. You can be here, or you can stagger your stance, whatever feels better on your back. And we're going to inhale, exhale, pull that core up and in, and we're bringing these weights out diagonally above our head. Only using our upper back here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more, 9, 10. The upper back muscles have a role in our posture and alignment, which keeps us upright, which when we're slouching, we can put excess pressure down on our pelvic floor and our core, which causes diastasis and other things like prolapse. So it's better to keep that alignment nice and tall. All right, now we're going to go into a star crunch. So come over on one side, those weights out of the way. All right, inhale, exhale, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. Inhale, exhale, pelvic floor comes up and in. Zip up to that core. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, back to the band pull here. That other leg out here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, grab those weights here. If you're staggering your stance, bring the other foot forward. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Zip up through that core. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 9, 10. Awesome job. Last exercise here. And we're on to our cool down. Go ahead and inhale. Exhale. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. And inhale. Exhale. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good work. We're gonna come into our cool down. So we're going to child's pose. I'm gonna bring my knees out wide. You can bring your knees in front of your chest, whatever you want. Go ahead and stretch those arms out. Just breathe. Bring it to that pelvic floor. One more breath here. Awesome. Okay, now come over into happy baby pose with me. And this is going to be our final 3 pelvic floor relaxing breaths here. So go ahead and take those 3 breaths here for me. Last breath here. All right. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you next time.